friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And so you can subscribe to the buttons down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more sometimes. And today's video is going to be my update for my yearly project pan, my rolling project pan that I'm doing this year for 2021. This is one of a few projects I am currently doing, and I've been having a grand old time doing my couple projects that I'm doing currently. Technically I have 3. This project, my dug of panning that I'm in, and also my pan lip palettes, which I feel like this month I'm finally getting somewhere with my projects. Don't mind Cooper just licking his paw in the background. Don't mind my weird makeup today. But yeah, anyways, that was a bunch of side notes, but let's just get right into it. So currently in my project, I have about 6 items that I'm currently panning. I like this number since I do have multiple projects and multiple things I'm working on, and I'm also rotating through my collection. So I kind of like having just all this kind of stuff. So first, I'm going to start with my fragrance that I have. This is 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works. This is kind of where we're at with this. I might have to do like a video insert like I did last month because I feel like you can't really see on camera that well, but we started here and I did make a pretty good gap between the first month, and I've always had like steady progress, and right now I think we're about right, I would say right here with it. So I've always made steady progress with this, but it's definitely not like I'm right here, from here to here is where I went. It's definitely not like, I thought maybe it'd be used up this month, but I definitely think by the next update I can have this used up because I don't have that much left, and I typically will spray this on myself a couple times a day per usual, like I am now. And I use this a lot, and I just want to get this done with so I can like go back to other fragrances as I drop this across the room. But I definitely think I can use this up by the next update, and I'm so excited to get this used up. I've had this forever. I think I've had this since like freshman year of college, which was quite a few years ago. So yeah, I'm excited to get this used up and gone out of here. Next is my bubblegum lip scrub from Lush. This is like literally almost there. I was really hoping they would hit my goal by this update. I was really hoping that it would be done and over with. But I think I have like maybe a day or two's worth use of it. So I probably will end up like calling this done right now because I will have this used up within a day or two. Like there's literally not that much left. And this was also in another one of my projects, but then I rolled it into this project. This was in the Roulette Pan collab that was going on last fall. So I definitely think I can get this used up, and I'm so excited. And just like a little note, since this is basically done and I'm calling this done right now, is that I would not repurchase this and stuff. I'll probably put this in my empties video whenever I film that. I probably won't repurchase because it did take me a long time to use up. And I don't find lip scrubs completely necessary. Like I definitely like lip scrubs, but I think I will probably either go for a more affordable option, like something that's like I could use up faster, or I will not use it, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going to talk about my newest add-in, and I only use this, and that's this Tarte Parka Princess Bronzer. I've only used this 2 times between now and the last update. I really like this. I just haven't really used it. When I do my makeup, I don't always wear bronzer. It's just not something I always do. But I think my goal for this is going to be to use it 15 times. I've used it 2 times, so that's 13 more uses to go. I just want to get use out of this, and I'm honestly trying to just go through my collection and use everything. So that's kind of my goal, and I hope I can do that. Some of these are gonna be real quick updates because I don't have much to say. Next, I have this Bite Beauty. This is their Agave Lip Mask. I believe this is in Maple, but this, I feel like I made pretty steady progress with this, just like a little bit. I had like an inch of use between there, but now I feel there's a huge air bubble in this, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I feel like the product is like about down here. So that was a big jump between the last update. I feel like I couldn't find a use, and I'm trying to get the air bubble out because I'm always having a hard time with that. but I'm trying to get the air bubble out. Like if I go like this and try to squeeze out product, I feel like it's still right there. But besides the big air bubble, I do feel like it's getting down there. So that's exciting. I was honestly thinking that this would take me the whole freaking year to this whole year to like finish up and pan. But I think I'm making faster progress than anticipated. I'm gonna figure out how to get the air bubble out off camera. But I'm really excited to finally be eating somewhere. I use this like practically every day and I love this stuff. It tastes good, but I can't wait to use this up. And once I use the Lush lip scrub, I'm actually going to keep that container. I think it'll be a great container for just other things. So next two, I actually have really good progress on. First is my ColourPop highlight. I have it all around the edges, which I'm really excited about. This has come a long way. I've been really trying to use it. I've even tried pushing, I might honestly do it again, pushing the product to the center and pressing it in there so that way I can finally get my uses out of this. I don't know, it's all around the edges, so I'm kind of debating if I want to call it done now, but I think I honestly might wait it out a month because I think there is enough use for maybe a couple more weeks. So I am gonna wait it out, even though I desperately just want to call it done now. But I will be surprised if I have it done within the next week. I think there's enough product where I could push it out a few weeks and I won't be wearing makeup, maybe not the next few days and stuff. I haven't really decided, but I have to work this weekend, so I don't think I will be using this. Getting too much use out of this, but I am so close to this. I think by the next update, I will definitely be done with this, which I'm so excited about. Then lastly, I have this Phase Zero eyeshadow and I have used this 12 times. I kind of have like a weird thing going in the center with it. Like it looks like almost like hard pan. Maybe not. I don't know. It just looks strange in the center. But I'm wearing this on my eyes today. It's just good, like easy. Like I would take it and swipe it. And so I've used this 12 times and stuff. And so I only have to use this 3 more times to call it done, which I don't know. I want to call this done because I will only have like 3 more uses. And what's the point of waiting another month when you only have 3 more uses? But part of me is like, yeah, keep it in. Like, it's fine. It's fine. Like, keep it in. But I don't know. I'm debating if I want to keep it in or not. Either way, I will have 1 rollout this month. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like 3 uses, that could be like all next week. I could have this done. I could literally have this done next week if I have 3 more uses. But I think I am going to keep this in just 1 more month, and then next month I will get to roll it out and stuff. So that's where I am with that. And those are all my current things. Of course, I have 1 rollout and I haven't even decided what I wanted to roll in its place. So I'm gonna figure that out real quick and then I will come back. Okay, it was kind of hard picking my products without like any sorts of prompt. I don't know why, like I love prompts. I did end up picking what I will be panning, and that is the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Moisturizer. I wanted to pan this because the sample my mom gave me, and I just don't love this color. It's just not it. It's in light sand, and I'm just not a fan of this, but I can mix it with my lightest foundations, and I can definitely make this work. It's just not my favorite. So my goal is just gonna be to use this up, and I think it'll take me maybe like a month or 2 to do that, I think, probably, most likely. So that's gonna be my goal. I'm gonna add this in, and I think it'll be fun to like, you know, pan this and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be added into the project and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also be sure to subscribe if you are already, and that kind of fun stuff. I have a lot of things coming up from current projects. I'm gonna do an empties video soon as well, since I haven't done empties in a few months and that kind of stuff. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.